Another day, another story. Predator birds. Before we start this video, be sure to click the subscribe and bell buttons, so you can keep seeing new and interesting videos. The avian world is full of fascinating creatures, many of which are top predators in their respective environments. Birds are known for their incredible ability to hunt and prey on other animals. Birds of prey are particularly impressive, with sharp talons, beaks, and incredible speed and agility that allow them to catch and kill their prey. Falcons, eagles, hawks, and owls are some of the most well-known and impressive predators in the bird world, with unique adaptations that help them survive and thrive in a variety of environments. In addition to these birds of prey, there are many other birds that are effective predators, including vultures, ospreys, kestrels, harriers, goshawks, and peregrine falcons. Here are some of the top predators in birds. Falcons are considered to be one of the fastest birds in the world, with diving speeds of over 240 miles per hour. They are known for their incredible agility, and their sharp talons and beaks make them effective predators. Eagles are powerful birds of prey that can be found all over the world. They have strong talons that they use to catch and kill their prey, which can include fish, small mammals, and even other birds. Hawks are also known for their speed and agility, and they are often found soaring over open fields and forests. They have sharp talons and beaks that they use to catch and kill their prey, which can range from insects to small mammals. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey that are known for their incredible hearing and vision. They have sharp talons and beaks that they use to catch and kill their prey, which can include rodents, birds, and even fish. Vultures. While vultures are not considered to be traditional predators, they are still incredibly effective at scavenging and feeding on dead animals. They have strong beaks that they use to tear through tough flesh and carrion, and their sharp eyesight helps them locate food from great distances. Ospreys are found worldwide, and they are sometimes referred to as fish hawks, because of their ability to catch fish. They have sharp talons and reversible outer toes that allow them to grip fish tightly as they fly. Kestrels are small falcons that are found in most parts of the world. They are known for their exceptional vision and their ability to hover in midair while hunting for prey such as rodents, small birds, and insects. Harriers are medium-sized hawks that are found in many parts of the world. They have long wings and a distinctive facial disc that helps them locate prey. They hunt by flying low, over open fields and marshes, using their sharp hearing and vision to detect small mammals, such as voles and rabbits. Goshawks are large, powerful hawks that are found in many parts of the world. They are ambush predators, often diving down on their prey from above. They are capable of catching animals much larger than themselves, including other birds of prey. Peregrine falcons are another type of falcon known for their incredible speed and agility. They are found on every continent except Antarctica and are known to prey on a wide variety of animals, including other birds in mid-flight. Overall, the bird world is full of fascinating creatures, and the predatory birds are some of the most impressive and awe-inspiring. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to see more interesting content. Thanks for watching.